Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, September 22nd, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We want to catch you guys up to what's been going on the last couple of days. Let's start with our report from September 20th, pre-market open. You can see futures were falling in Fibonacci perfection. You can see right there we had a 2.618, and there's we were looking for the retracement targets in the futures. Don't know if we had anything else in here for you guys. Nope. So we'll get back to on the 20th. Here we go. We're looking at our report, and again, we're scoring direct hits every day and sometimes more than once a day. Okay, we need to see a break of the 819 low of 43.67 to confirm a change in trend. We got it. Our make or break. Where are we wrong? A move above the all-time high at 45.45. We had a 1 down, a 2 up, and it opened right at our target at 43.74 within 1 tick. And then we got a direct hit on our downside target of 43.04. It hit 43.05. So we're looking for moves up, and here's our 3 targets here: 43.74, 94, and 44.15. Let me scroll through here if I can, and this is where we needed to move below 44.36 to indicate second wave up was complete. We got it. We need to move below 43.67 to confirm a change in trend. We got it, and there's the 45.45 make or break, and that held. So everything was good, and we move along. You can see there's our, we'll get into that later at another time. Then we go into the 21st. Okay, another day, another direct hit. There's that 43.94 target they were looking for on the way up. We got it right at the 50% retracement level. Another direct hit, and you can see that's on our time spiral too also. And by the way, that is coming up tomorrow. That's going to be interesting. We'll get into that later in our video. Let's see here what else we were looking for. Let me scroll through here. Okay, yeah, in the cash from that second wave high, we had a 1, 2, 3, and 4 was looking like a triangle. Okay, so we were looking at that, and then we had the targets for that. Obviously, we're in sell rally mode. So we're looking at futures there, E-mini futures, and I think I have that in a pick. I'll review all that, going a little fast here. So we get into today on the pre-market open, and here's our fourth wave targets for that ABC. What we said in that other one, the pre-market open, was it may be in here where the futures were taking on a different tact than there's the triangle there in the cash market. Okay, and in the pre-market we said the futures were taking on an ABC, the E-mini futures. This was like at, I don't know, 4 or 5 in the morning. Okay, so we did say in our report, I think I'll have it here. Yeah, the cash market is a contracting triangle fourth wave, but the futures are showing an A up, B down, and C up. C up could reach the Fibonacci 618 retracement. In the futures, it was 44.04. Okay, so that's what we were looking for. And then what did we get? Look there, we got the ABC, okay, and we hit the next target right on time at 44.16. That was within 1 tick of an actual hit, direct hit. And there is our make or break for the wave 4 high at 44.35. If this is 1 down and that is 2 up, and this is 3 down and that was a direct hit again, and 3 was a 1.618, and this is ABC up. There is 4. I got this in a pick. I'll make it a little bigger. There you go. And there's our ABC. There's 4. Okay, so we have to see some things hold there. Let me get into our picks here. Oh, and by the way, our subscribers are getting this stuff, like I said, 4 or 5 in the morning, pre-market open. Get at least 1 issue a day, if not 2 a day for the monthly subscribers. And you can see our disclaimer there with our awards and all that, and you can also see our subscriptions right here. We have a guess the closing price of the S&P contest. We have annual monthly and video on demand. A lot of stuff there for you guys to see. And while I'm thinking about it, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Remember to hit the reminder bell and, of course, the like button. The like button just flew by in lightning fashion. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let me get into the actual charts here. Okay, and here is that hourly chart. And there is a September 2nd all-time high. You see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. You can see 4 holds below the wave 1 high right there. Follow the dotted line. There's the wave 1 low, and there's the wave 4 high. There's 1, there's 2, and there is 3. A perfect 1.618 multiple of 1. And then we've got the 4th wave advance here. Purple line is the make or break. The high of 4 cannot go above the low of 1. The low of 1 here is 44.35, and that's the purple line. This high here is 44.16. As you can see, the target was 44.15. That's ABC, so we need to see this move down in wave 5 from here. Here you can see a wave 5 here. Let me get 34. Let me get this target here, see if we can do this for you guys live. There's the 1. There's the 2, which is a 3, which is a 1618. There's 4 there. You can see the target's 5. 5 equals 1, just below the wave 3 low. I think it's actually 2 points lower. It's more than likely going to go down to this 42.29. I probably have that in a pick for a little better clue. We're going to look at things from right here on the 4th wave high that happened today, one day before our turn date. I want to mention that one of 2 possibilities. The turn date called the 4th wave high, and it had a slippage of -1 day. It was a 1 day early. Or it's going to call the wave 5 low, which is going to be tomorrow, and we're going to see a huge decline. One of those 2 is in play. I guess the third option is our count is wrong. When do we know we're wrong? When 4 goes above 1. That can't happen. On the bigger picture, when do we know we're wrong? The all-time high, 45.45. On September 2nd, is that if that is broken, then this is all wrong. So we have our parameters to the upside and the downside. We'll get confirmation of 5 down once the 3 low is broken, which is sitting right there at 43.05. That perfect direct hit, one of many. I want to show you guys the 1-minute chart. I like to trade by this. This is that high today, which was right on that 44.15. I was watching that intently because is 4 over? Or are we going to get broke? And it was just above, about 20 points above. This is when Powell started speaking. By the way, he fell right in line with Elliott Waves and Fibonacci. So as I say, the news doesn't make the market creates the news. So here we go. From there, we had a clean and obvious 5-wave decline, 1 down. This is a 1-minute chart, 2 up. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, 4 up, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5. There's 1 down. This got a little scary toward the end. This was right before the close, a little more than a half hour. 2 up, cannot go higher, cannot retrace more than 100% of wave 1. You can see it right there. It came, I think, within 2 points, and I'm like, oh boy, we're wrong. Well, no, it held. We were right, and the 3rd wave down has begun. We'll see a move below this wave 1 low here, which is sitting at 43.84. That will confirm that wave 3 down is in progress. Let me give you guys a quick analysis here, our Fibonacci target. I think I got picks for all this. Whoops, and we messed that up. We can go move that now. Let's move that to where it belongs, which is right there. Again, wave 3 gains equality with 1 just below the wave 1 high at 43.81, and a 1618 is 43.60. Be real interesting to see if the turn date nailed this high today, missed by day, or 5 down, which will be a pretty swift move, is in order. Let me look at these picks here for you guys. Let's see here. That's 922. This was the E-mini futures we were looking at. Again, review 1, 2, 3. There were 4th wave targets. Let's see what else we have here. And this was where the cash was looking like a triangle, but the futures the next morning or overnight told us it wasn't going to be a triangle. We're going to see an A up, a B down, and a C up. I'll get to that in the next here. A quick review. There was the futures. And there it is there. We're looking at an A, B, C up, and our target's the 618. And for the cash, it was 44.15 or 16, and it hit within a point. Okay, and what else do we have here? Here is the hourly. All right, this has a lot of information on it. There's the all-time high. There's wave 1 down, A, B, C up on the 16th. Then we've got wave 3. Wave 3 is a perfect 1.618 multiple, and there's that ABC up with the direct hit on 44.16, and there's that make or break. Wave 4 here in the red cannot go above the wave 1 low here. That's 44.35. If that happens tomorrow, this wave count that labels 4 up is wrong. Okay, we need to see a move below the wave 3 low for wave 5. There's our targets there. Trust those numbers because I took the time and put them on there. Let's see what else we have here for you guys. Oh, and here is that one from today's high. There's where Powell was speaking. There's the 5 waves down, the ABC up, and we're starting in wave 3. Need a break of that 43.84 low for confirmation. Targets at 43.61 and 43.47. What else do we have? I think we showed you guys that already on the hourly. Here's our blueprint for the decline. There's the 923. Doesn't mark the 3 low. The bigger wave 3. We're in a 1, 2, 3, 4 within this 3. Or did it mark that 4 high? We will see. And then the next turn dates. Getting a little ahead of ourselves, but that's what we're looking at there. Going to be real interesting. This 923 date right up here in the upper right. Does that mark the wave 3 low? We will find out tomorrow. Let me see what else we have here for you guys. I think that might be it. Let me look at what we have here. I think we showed you guys all this already just to make sure. Yep, that was in the pick there. And we have, let's see what else we have here. There was our direct hit on 44.15. Okay, and that's where the cash did. And the futures, the futures showed the way, and the cash followed suit. And then we have here from the Powell speech and the ensuing beginning of wave 5. Okay, that should do it for today. We're going to leave you with that picture right there. And should be an interesting day tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Until then, and next time, take care, everyone.